In this burst, we will look at the latest enhancements to Crash Test Setup in OASIS 23. Crash Test Setup automates the setup of regulated crash test models in Primer. In this release, the workflow has been extended with new CNCAP protocols and a new Euro NCAP full-width frontal impact test. The newly supported CNCAP tests are frontal impact with MPDB, side pole, side MDB, and full-width frontal impact. Here, the CNCAP frontal impact MPDB case is selected from the Crash Test Setup library. The preview confirms the main test conditions, including offset of 50%, initial velocity of 50 km an hour, and height above ground of 150 mm. Moving to the Vehicle tab, their default settings are loaded, and the key reference geometry is defined from the model. In this example, we will calculate the center line automatically from the geometry. Moving to the Barrier tab, we will import the default MPDB demo barrier. The barrier is now imported, the include transform labels are assigned, and the barrier settings are prepared for the selected test. Crash Test Setup now creates the required setup automatically, including initial velocity, contact definitions, support planes, and the aligned barrier position within the model. Finally, generated keywords can be written out, and the complete MPDB setup is shown in Primer for further analysis. The tool now also supports the Euro NCAP FWDB case. The full-width frontal impact test can be selected directly from the library and prepared through the same guided workflow in Primer. If you have any questions or feedback, please contact us. Thank you.